Hello, my name is Nicholas Schneiderlein, and my chosen career is physical therapy. First, I'm going to talk about the education portion. Uh, Almost every physical therapy school out there requires a bachelor's degree in order to attend their school. Uh, One of our guest speakers, Dr. Miller, who is a physical therapist, suggested that people who are interested in physical therapy, like myself, should take a heavy science-based major, such as health sciences, biomedical sciences, life sciences, majors like that have those core science classes, the biologies, the anatomies, the physiologies, and um, chemistries. Almost every single one of those, every single one of the PT schools in the US requires that. USF is one of the schools that I'm applying for. It requires a minimum of a 3.2 GPA, 20 hours of volunteering in either outpatient, inpatient, or acute care. They require a GRE score, and they also require that you have two physical therapist recommendations in order to attend. Uh, the American Physical Therapy Association suggests participating in a residency or fellowship program. These are programs that will help further your career and get your name out there. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, PTs are responsible for diagnosing patients' movements and functions, developing specialized plans for care, and evaluating the progress of a patient. These are just a few of the things they do. They also have to be able to read medical histories for patients from surgeons and other doctors to make sure that they are doing anything against the doctor's orders. They also need to be able to educate their patients so that they can prevent injuries in the future. One website talked about how physical therapists, just like all healthcare professions, are constantly on their feet and using their bodies. Physical therapists are usually doing workouts and exercises with their patients. Sometimes they're holding their patients up, moving their patients' bodies, and it can be a lot of work and cause a lot of stress. So it's very crucial that physical therapists are in good shape and have proper body mechanics. Benefit of physical therapy is the amount of different work environments. A few of them are hospitals, home health care, there's even self-employment. Dr. Miller mentioned a few more. There were schools, sports clinics, nursing homes, things like that. I shadowed under a physical therapist who worked in a clinic, but also worked with the Washington Nationals baseball team rehab, and he would help them with their injured players and help them get back up into their leagues and be able to play again. The job outlook for physical therapy is very good. It's got a high growth rate. The Bureau of Labor Statistics has it at a 28% increase in the next 10 years. This is much higher than the average 7% for other occupations. Um, According to the Commissions on Accreditation of Physical Therapy Education, there are more than 32,000 students enrolled in PT programs in the US right now. The Bureau of Labor Statistics has the median salary for PT at $86,850. This varies. There's, according to the same website, there's 10% of physical therapists who are above $120,000, and then there's some that are below $55,000. One of these factors that affects the pay is location. Um, it also affects where I'd want to start my practice. According to one website that I saw, Arizona, California, Texas, Louisiana, and Tennessee all are within the top 10 highest paid physical therapy areas in the US. My goals in physical therapy are to become a PT, pass all the tests, and then my dream is to work for a sports organization, whether it be professional, college, or even high school, and then to retire happy. These are all the works that I cited, all the websites that I used. Thank you.